Tired of wrestling with printers, scanners, and endless paper trails just to get a simple document signed? Well, DocuSign offers a pathway to digital signatures without immediately reaching for your wallet. So let's explore how you can leverage DocuSign for free. First, head over to the DocuSign website. Look for the prominently displayed free trial button, which typically gives you access to a full range of features for a limited time. Click on it, and you'll be directed to a sign-up form. Fill in your details accurately to create your DocuSign account. This is essential for accessing the free trial. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the DocuSign dashboard. Locate the Start Now button, or a similar call to action, to initiate your first document signing process. Now, it's time to upload the document you need. Signed DocuSign supports various file formats like PDF, Word, and more. Simply drag and drop or browse your computer to select your file. Next, you'll be guided to add signature fields, initial fields, date signed fields, and any other necessary fields to your document. Simply drag and drop them to the desired locations. After placing all the necessary fields, review your document to ensure accuracy, and then click the Send button. DocuSign will then email the document to the recipient for their signature. And that's it. The recipient can easily sign the document electronically from their computer or mobile device. And you'll receive a notification once it's completed. While the free trial has limitations, it's a fantastic way to experience the ease and efficiency of DocuSign. Good luck.